start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So we're doing an extra long set today. So this is a collab and the theme is fancy dress costume for nails. So I chose the theme for this one actually. So my nails are going dressed as Barbie. Guys, wait and see these water decals. These, I'll tell you more about these decals later in the video. Best quality decals I have ever used. They were a dream to use. The colour, so vibrant, and the detail on them, absolutely fantastic decals. I love them. These are from Queen of Decals. She's a UK brand, but she does ship internationally. I know a lot of my international subs always lose out with stuff like this, but she does ship internationally. So I've pulled out the Boardwalk from Madame Glam and I've pulled out Perfect White. Those are the only two colours I'm going to be using. And I'm using the Madame Glam Ombre brush. Super soft ombre brush this. It makes it a lot easier. So I'm doing, I just wanted a little bit of the pink up the top. And I'll tell you why. Because a lot of these decals have to go on a white background. So at this point I was thinking, I forgot where these decals were from to start with. I've had them over a year I think. So that's why I wanted the white quite high up, so that I could put the decal on the white background. But these decals absolutely don't need a white background. They can go on any colour nail. She's using this new Fancy Pants technology that puts white on the back of the decal. I don't know if any of you have ever seen me painting the back of decals to make them more opaque. Hers are already like that. They can go on any colour nail. So yeah, I didn't need to do the white so high up, but they turned out really nice. I was happy with them. So to do my ombre, I'm just going to swipe side to side. I'm just using the tips of the bristles, swiping side to side, and I'm moving my brush ever so slightly up and down, just to bring the pink down into the white and the white up into the pink. Just side to side, side to side. I'm going to do 2 coats. Don't worry about your first coat looking a little bit patchy. Your second coat will completely cover all that. So once you're happy with it, stick it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Don't faff too much on that first coat. And then clean your brush off with a lint-free white. And then I'm just going to go in again with just a thin layer of the pink, a thin layer of the white. And yeah, same again. Just swipe side to side and up and down slightly. I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky. I'll do that off camera because yeah, it's exactly the same. So I'm going to be covering the middle finger with this colour, the Boardwalk. Is it called the Boardwalk? I think it is. I forgot. This is one of them sets I've made up as I've gone along. I wasn't sure what I was doing on the ring finger, so I've left that blank for now. So I'm going to do 2 coats on this. Again, I'll do the second coat off camera. So when you're using water decals, always cut them out as close to that image as you can get, just so you don't have a load of overhang on the nail, and just stick them in the water for, they just need 20-30 seconds. And I'm going to use the stamper, just get the excess water off it and slide that back off. Can you see the back of this decal is white? Absolutely. Do you know when you get a product that just blows your mind and you're like, wow, these are good? That's what I felt with these decals, guys. Look how bright and vibrant they are. Yeah, a dream to use. I'm really happy with these. So yeah, I've just used my stamper to press it onto the nail. And I'm going to put the Barbie blowing the bubble on the middle nail. And what did I put on the pinky? Oh yeah, I put a naughty word on the pinky. I'll leave the link to these specific decals below on the website. And I don't know if I've told you already, I've got a 10% discount code. Go and look on her website at some of these decals, guys. They are crazy good. I love them. So yeah, I'll let you watch for a sec and I'll be back. So I'm just using a top coat now to get these decals sealed in. I like to kind of seal around my decal and then I'll brush over the top of them. I'm always scared of getting top coat going under the decals. But I always put my decals on the tacky layer of the gel polish, and that just helps them stick down flat as well. But yeah, I'm always scared of getting top coat under them. So I always kind of seal the bottom like that and then seal the top and then I'll brush over them. So they're going to go in the lamp now for 30 seconds. And I decided to stick with this colour Boardwalk and do this nail in that colour as well. What did I end up putting on that nail? I've slept since I did these. Right, 2 coats of this. I'm curing each coat for 30 seconds. And I've pulled out Rodeo Drive. This was a close match to the decals. Probably the closest match that I had. And the decals did have some lippy lips, but they were a little bit big to go on these nails. So I decided to hand draw them. So I've just done 2 dots and I'm just going to join them dots up in the middle like that. And then just do a little flick off that end. A little flick off that end. And kind of just join them up in the middle. Quite easy way to do lippy lips. And I'm going to do, I think I do 2 more on this nail. Yeah, so I'll just quickly show you doing one more look. 2 little dots like that. And this is the Madam Glam long fine liner. I love this brush. Join them up in the middle like that. And then just do a little flick coming off each side. I kind of cocked this one up, but we salvaged it. And then just join. And then the bottom half of the lippy lips, just do like a smile. Just a simple smile like that. And then just follow the pattern of the top lip. And join it up. Like that. I'm just going to let you watch and shut up because I'm feeling really giddy today. So I'm just quickly giving these middle 2 nails a generous layer of top coat, just where I've done the lips and the dots. They're slightly raised, and I'm obsessed with smooth nails, so that's just so that I can buff them and get them ultra smooth. And now I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. I thought these would look really nice in matte, so yeah, they're going to get a matte top coat, and I'm going to stick a few little rhinestones on, and that'll be then finished. There we go, guys, that is them finished. How cool are they? I can't get over how bright and vibrant those decals are. And you can see every little detail, even the tattoos on her neck. I love them, they are fantastic. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I will leave the website for these decals and discount code and everything. It'll all be in my description box. There will be a playlist pinned in my comments. Go and see what all the other ladies' nails came dressed as. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe if you're not already. and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.